Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Prakash Patray, and today I am here to give the presentation of New World. And as you know, my friend Sebastian, he has already given the introduction about New World. What is New World, how the New World operates, and SWOT analysis and about the pestle analysis. And about my part, I'm going to talk about functional level strategies and business level strategies. So when talking about the functional level strategies of New World, at first I want to let you know what functional level strategy is. So functional level strategy, when we talk about the functional level strategy, functional level strategies are the actions and goals assigned to various departments that support to business level strategy and corporate level strategy. Uh, these strategies specify the outcomes to see achieved from the daily operations of specific departments or functions of the business. The functional level strategies should reflect the fact that corporate and business objectives typically require the involvement of multiple function areas, like for example, human resources, production, research and development, etc. So continuing with the corporate level strategy of increasing market share, the functional level strategy would then be uh, uh, human resources will be hiring of highly trained employees, marketing level will be improving brand identification, and production will be reduce rejection. On this strategy aspect, once these strategies are set, department managers can devise individual employee assignments to support the departmental goal. So after this, I'm going to talk about the New World functional level strategies. So when talking about the New World functional level strategy, as we all know, New World is a retail shop. Being a retail industry, New World has to maintain its functional level process to develop a superiority performance of its business. It applies functional level strategies in different process. With the help of functional level strategy, New World Supermarket will develop customer engagement in result to provide satisfaction to them. And New World conduct training session for employees to develop healthy connections with the customers, so customers come again to buy the product. And next we have it, the strategy will help company to develop a long-term sustainability and a competitive advantage. So next we have is recommendation. When talking about recommendation, to develop financial planning of business, company need to adopt international accounting practices. For effective operations, outsourcing technology will be used. That is hiring new technology used in other countries. New technology and new content management system is adopted in supply chain process. And to deal with effective HRM practice, company need to conduct international level of training and development program. The trainer will be hired from other countries, maybe from different countries. For product, company need to focus on a substitute product. And next we have its business level strategies. So before going to business level strategies, I want to say what business level strategy is. Business level strategies translate corporate strategies into more tangible actions. In essence, the business strategies will define the assignments and actions required to achieve the corporate strategy. For example, building on the corporate strategy to increase market share, the business strategies that support these goals might be like increasing the market budget, improving product quality, broadening exposure, and because of these strategies, it will then trigger down to the next level of the business. So talking about the business level strategies in New World, as we can see, to get an competitive advantage, the business level strategy used by the New World supermarket in the following ways. Like differentiation, the brand promotions and product are differentiated as it deals in custom-based manufactured product. And next we have is cost leadership. To get competitive advantage, they offer products at a low cost to the customers. And next we have is focused differentiation. To sustain for a long term, company has to focus on target customers. And next we have it integrated low cost differentiation. So in this, company has to focus on lower cost of the differentiated products. And then next last, and we have focused low cost. To get regular business, company focuses on price sensitive customers. And like based on the study, it determined that company focused on product differentiation, as it helped in develop different image in the market to get competitive benefit. So next we have is recommendation. By talking about the recommendation, New World to get an competitive advantage, New World supermarket need to reduce the price of some products. The prices charged to be lower than the competitor firms is determined based on international practices. And next we have is for long term benefit, company need to attract new customer based on low price product. As we know, like comparing other pack and save and countdown, New World have higher price than this competitor. And to enhance customer satisfaction, company need to conduct training and development session for their staff members. And the last one we have is to develop diversification, company need to focus on wide range of substitution products. So what talking about this is where I'm going to finish my part, and thank you so much, guys. So if you have any questions. Yeah.
How can New World compete pack and save and countdown by using functional and business level strategies?
Well, while competing, New World gives many different training to their staff, so that they can be well trained and implement those ideas and training in the market, in their field. So this is how they can compete with package save and countdown. Thank you.